So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna try and tidy up the wiring harness underneath the dash and get this mess right here. This mess, straightened up. It's just a process of trying to figure out where you can put things and get some foot room so we can push the clutch in a lot easier. So.
Is that the original?
That's the original. He just said it was stopped up, and then they had to put a bunch of patches in the core right here. They took the tops and bottoms off. They patched a bunch of stuff. Looks like they did a lot of work to this thing. I mean, that's probably what's in style nowadays, but that's not what I like, man.
What are you looking for?
Side covers, which I don't seem to be.
So what are you doing right now?
Oh, working on the HIDs, the headlights. Trying to figure out how to hide everything. This side looks like it's going to be a little easier.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of what it is. So, but I have a control box and all the other stuff that I have to get in that one little spot. I don't know what I'm going to do, really. originally have the right bumper on it. It had
Oh.
a different bumper. So I don't know that this was ever on there. This is fiberglass. This is an OEM. And I bought a car that had this, the original, what was supposed to be on it. So I don't know if this was ever on there or not. I want to say no. I don't remember. Trying to find out why the brake lights aren't working. I had them working and then I messed with everything and now nothing works. So I don't know. I don't know what I've done. Let's go. Need to do a little investigation. Pulling everything back out. There you go.
Are they?
Good.
Yep. Yep.
Hard to figure out what was going on. There's a link junction in this car that I don't know. I've never seen one before, and they were right there. Right there was my whole problem.
What?
Right here. This plug in here, it was linked one in, one out. So when you unplug this piece of plastic, so right here, these two wires were linked together in the same plug. Crazy, crazy. Right now I'm working on getting the power windows wired, the power locks. I'm wiring the brake light switch, and I have to wire a power to the main light switch. But right now, we're just gonna get all the necessary stuff, so. Well, good morning. So yesterday, we worked about, 16 hours. Got all the wiring finished, or most of it finished. Pretty tired this morning. Still got a long way to go. But we're making it.
was in the truck, remember?
And
In my truck, remember? Because
Is
I
it
was like,
still
what is
in
this?
your
And you
truck?
said, it's a radiator cap.
is it still in your truck?
I don't know. Do
So,
you want me to go look for it?
oh, just, I mean, if you're at the house and you happen to think about it.
Okay.
Yes. Cool. I'm just gonna weld a little bracket for the clutch master cylinder. I like the position. So
Hood clearance? Yes. Check.
I got plenty of head clearance. Yeah. So, cool.
Still got a lot of stuff on your to-do list.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a long list of to-dos. So we're just gonna get as much as we can done. Kind of hoping to have it a little closer than this right now, but we might have to have some more long nights, but we only got so much time we can devote to it. So.